Hello everyone! If you don't understand how to solve percentage problem on the ASVAB arithmetic reasoning section, finding discounts, calculating taxes, or working with percent change, this video is for you. Percentages are not optional on the ASVAB. They appear on every single exam, typically 6 to 8 questions in the arithmetic reasoning section alone. The good news: once you learn the underlying formula, every percentage problem collapses into the same simple parent. Let me show you. Every percentage problem on the ASVAB, every single one, is a variation of one relationship. Part equals percent times whole. If you know two of these three pieces, you can always find the third. It is your anchor. Memorize it. We have three cases. The first case, find the part what is 15% of 200. Case 2, find the percent. 45 is what percent of 200. Case 3, find the whole. 45 is 15% of numbers. Same formula, three different unknowns. We take them one at a time. The first case, find the part. The question, what is 15% of 200? Step 1. Convert the percent to a decimal. 15%, we move the decimal 2 places left. It is 0.15. Step 2. Multiply. So we take 0.15 multiply by 200 is story. So 15% of 200 is equal to 30. Another example with a ASVAB contact. A recruiter scored 80% on 150 question practice test. How many questions did they answer correctly? We convert 80% is 180 and multiply by 150. We take 80, we take 150, it is 120. 120 questions correctly. If you use bar diagram, 150 questions, it is total, so it is 100%. We have 80% here, and we have 20% here. The second case, when we need to find the percent, the question, 45 is what percent of 200? Our formula, percent equals part divided by whole. We take 45 divided by 200, it is 0.225. Now we convert back to percent. Multiply by 100%, it is 22.5%. We have interesting situation with percent increase. A soldier's pay increases from $2,400 to $2,760. What is the percent increase? First, find the increase itself. We take 2,760 minus 2,400. It is $360. Now divided by the original amount is critical. Next step, we need to convert 0.15 to percent. So we take 0.15 times 100%. It is equals 15%. Always divided by the original amount for problem like that. So correct answer for problem 2, 15% increase. Next case, find the whole. 45 is 15% of what number? Formula, whole equals part divided by percent. Convert 15% to 0.15. Then 45 divided by 0.15. It is 300. So 45 is 15% of 300. Find the original price. A recruit buys boots at 25% off and saves $37.50. What was the original price? Here is key. The savings is the part. The discount percent is the percent. So 37.50 is 25% of the original. we need to divide it. So 37.50 divided by 0.25, it is $150. Original price $150. It is correct answer for example like that. Let us review all three cases together. Find the part, multiply percent times whole. Find the percent, divided part by whole, then multiply by 100%. Find the whole divided by part by percent. Before you solve, always ask, which case am I in? That question alone will prevent most mistake. Keep in your mind, for the first case and the third case, you need to convert percent to decimal. And this case, the same situation, convert to decimal. Here's the trap the ASVAB sets often. A score increases from 60% to 75%. The percentage point increase, we take 75 minus 60. It is 15 percentage points. But the percent increase, we take 15 divided by the original 60. It is 25%. They are different answer. Please read the question carefully. Are they asking for percentage points or percent change? Next today, percent increase formula. We take the new amount minus the original amount divided by the original multiplied by 100%. And we keep this formula for percent decrease as well. The structure is the same. Military base had 800 personnel last year. This year 920. Percent increase. So last year 800. This year 920. We take 920 minus 800. It is 120. Step 2, we divided by original. So 120 divided by 800, 0.15. And now we convert to percent. So we have to take 0.15 times 100%. It is 15%. So answer 15% increase. Percent decrease, same structure. We take original minus new divided by original multiplied by 100%. The denominator is always the original value. This is where most students make mistake. They divided by the new value. Don't do that. Always divided by the original. Next example, show for us percent decrease. Equipment originally cost $5,000. Its current value $3,500. So original cost 5,000. Currently cost 3,500. The first step, we need to subtract original minus new. It is 1,500. The second step, divided by original amount. So 1,500 divided by original amount 5,000, we have 0.30. Last step, we need to convert to percent. So we take 0.30 multiply by 100%. We have 30%. So the value decreased by 30%. Two methods for discount problems. A $280 uniform is 35% off. What is the sale price? The first method, two steps. First step, find the discount. 0.35 times 280. It is equals $98. Second, subtract 280 minus $98. It is $182 answer. The second approach. The first step. If 35% is removed, 65% remains. Now we need to convert 65% to decimal and multiply by 280. We have $182. Both methods are correct. Use the one that makes sense to you. A meal costs $45, taxes 8%, tip 15% on pre-tax. What is the total? We take the tax first. 0.08 times 45 is $360. Then the tip. 0.15 times 45 is $6.75. Then we add 45 plus 360 plus 675. It is $55.35. It's correct answer, for example, like that. Here's the problem that appear frequently on the ASVAB exam and catches many test takers. After a 20% discount, boots cost $96. What was the original price? Many students multiply 96 by 1.20. That is incorrect. Why? Because $96 is 80% of the original, not 100%. The discount of 20% was removed, so we divided 96 by 0.80. It is $120. Always ask, does this number represent 100% or something less? Pause the video, solve this yourself. A shipping container holds 2,500 pounds. If it's 65% full, how many pounds are inside? We take 0.65, we take 2,500, multiply, it is 1,625 pounds. Pause the video and recruits run time improved from 14 minutes to 11 minutes and 12 seconds. What is the present improvement? First convert. 11 minutes 12 seconds is 11.2 minutes. The improvement is 14 minus 11.2. We take 2.8 minutes. Divided by original 14. It is 0.20. 20% improvement. It's correct answer for our example. Thank you for watching. Remember, every percentage problem in the ASVAB falls into one of three cases. Identify the case first, apply the formula, and solve. If you want more practice, visit the Doctor's School Story, link in the description, for the ASVAB percentage worksheet with 50 additional problems. And subscribe for new ASVAB math video every week. See you soon!